Engineer Paul, marami nang excited buksan tong car na to. And I believe, ako na lang mismo when I was sa cabin crew, not in my whole lifetime would I imagine na magkakaroon ako nito. And right now, nasa harapan na natin, sabay-sabay na natin buksan. Ready ka na ba?
Sobrang ready na.
Ready na ba kayo?
Kayong dalawa.
So guys, 3, 2, 1, grabe naman yan! Engineer Paul! Engineer Paul! Engineer Paul!
When it comes to
Grabe naman yan! Grabe naman yan! O dahil dyan, as we always do our car reveal, pasok na sa driver